Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make schematic diagram in EasyEDA. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, if you have already opened basically this project, what you're going to do here on the left side, where you see your project, click on SCH doc, right click on it, and then you will see it right here that you can create new schematic, just like that. Now, if you don't have project right over here already opened up, what you can do, or if you want to create new project, what you need to do is just head over here at the top where you see file, then under new, and then click on project. All right, so now I will use this STD project name. So I will put this like so, and then save. All right. Now we have basically created here, as you can see, a new project test in which we already have this schematic diagram right here. Now what you can do with this diagram right over here, you will see that we have now option to add some basically components. So right here you can see that we have wiring tool, and now on the left you will see common library or just library. So if you click on that, you can now search for the components that you need. So let's say I will take this one. So this is the resistor, and I will place it right in here. Now let's say what we need for capacitor, for example, what we can get. Okay, so we have here some uh, chips. Okay, no, that one. Okay, maybe this one, for example, and just like that we hit place. And yeah, what else we can add? We can add some, let's say, for example, amplifiers. We just need to wait a little bit here. Okay, and we will place this one right over here. Okay, so now that we have here some few components, so I will just connect something that you can see. Now, let's say if I want to wire, I go here to the wiring tool, select this one, and now what we are going to do, simply I can just click here and here. Okay, so, oh, sorry, I didn't take wire. So wire, just like that, and let's say we will put this on ground, and also this one right here, maybe like that, and then we have it like so. And yeah, this is pretty much what you can do then after you finish with your component placement on your schematic. And yeah, so I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.